Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to set up TP Link Deco M5 as a repeater. In wireless mode, Deco can only extend Wi-Fi networks created by other Deco units of any models, but also any Deco unit can be connected via Ethernet cable to your router and used as an access point which mirrors your router's network settings. In this video I'm going to show you both options, so let's get into it. Let's assume you already have set up Deco network with one unit in it, and then you've bought another one and want to connect it as a signal repeater. So what you need to do first is connect your secondary Deco to a power source and then wait until this LED indicator to start blinking blue. The next steps are super simple. Just tap on the plus icon in your TP Link Deco application, then tap on Add a Deco unit. Select your home configuration, 1, 2 or 3 and more floors. Tap next arrow. Place your Deco in an open space. Next. Away from large electrical appliances. Next. And plug in your Deco and wait until LED indicator pulses blue. Already done, so hit next and just wait. Well, now the Deco is found. Tap on Add this device. Select location. You can select from this list or enter the custom name. Let it be just in bedroom. So hit next. It's applying some settings. Then hit done and you're all set. Now you have 2 Decos in your network. This one is main. It's connected via Ethernet cable with your router, and this one just extends the network, so place it somewhere in Wi-Fi dead zone. And now you can switch the entire Deco network to access point operation mode. To do this, tap on More tab. Pay attention, now you have internet connection settings in your application. After you switch the operation mode, this setting will disappear because internet connection settings will be managed by your router. So, to switch operation mode, find Advanced section, tap on that, select Operation Mode, select Access Point, and apply. Now your Deco will reboot. Tap on Reboot and just wait until the settings applies. Now you still can manage your Deco network from Deco application, but you have fewer settings. Network connection settings are disappeared. Also parental controls at the bottom disappeared. You can change Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, block users, but if you need to manage the network settings, you need to access your router's web interface and apply to your router's user manual to get there. And that's pretty it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys.